If you're 75 and feel weaker than you used to, or your legs are getting thinner, this isn't just getting older. It's often something called muscle loss with age, and it happens faster after 60. But here's the good news. Even at 75, your body can still build muscle. And in today's video, I'll show you one powerful, underrated option: seed protein. It's gentle on digestion, packed with nutrients, and when used correctly, it can help support strength and muscle. Before we start, this video is educational and not personal medical advice. Always talk to your doctor if you have kidney disease, digestion problems, or you take medications. Now let's get into it. After age 70, many seniors notice weaker legs, trouble standing up from chairs, slower walking fatigue, poor balance. This is often due to lower protein intake, less strength training, poor digestion, absorption inflammation, and not enough calories. And most seniors don't even realize they're under-eating protein. Here's the mistake. Most seniors only eat protein at dinner, but your body needs protein spread out to build muscle. If you're 75 and eating toast for breakfast, soup for lunch, then some meat at dinner, you may not get enough protein early in the day to stimulate muscle. Now let's talk about the star of today's video. Seed protein is protein made from nutrient-rich seeds like pumpkin seed, hemp seed, sunflower seed, chia, ice, flax blends, usually part of a mix. These are excellent for seniors because they are often easier to digest than heavy meat, dairy-free, good if milk bothers you, rich in minerals like magnesium and zinc, and some seed proteins contain amino acids that support muscle recovery. If I had to choose one of the best options for seniors 70 plus, pumpkin seed protein. Why? Because it's high in protein, contains magnesium, contains zinc, can support recovery, gentle on the stomach. Many seniors can't tolerate whey protein. Pumpkin seed protein is a great alternative. Now here's the secret. Protein only works when you combine it with muscle stimulation. That means walking alone is good for health, but walking alone usually won't build much muscle. To build muscle at 75, you need protein plus strength movement. Simple plan: take seed protein after breakfast, then do 5 to 10 minutes of strength movement. You don't need a gym. Move. 1. Chair squat, sit down. Stand up slowly, 8 to 12 reps. Move 2. Wall push-ups, hands on wall push and return 10 reps. Move 3. Heel raises, hold chair, rise on toes. 12 reps, do this 3 to 4 times per week. This is how seniors build muscle safely. Here's a simple shake recipe. Senior strength shake: 1 scoop pumpkin seed protein, 1 banana or berries, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, optional water or almond milk, cinnamon. Drink this in the morning or after exercise. Avoid these: taking protein but doing no resistance movement, skipping meals, and only drinking shakes thinking more protein is always better, not drinking enough water. And if you have kidney disease, talk to your doctor first. If you're 75 and serious about staying strong, comment "strong at 75" below. At 75, your body can still build muscle, but only if you get enough protein. A great option? Pumpkin seed protein. It's easy to digest, full of minerals, and perfect for seniors. Use it after breakfast, plus do chair squats and heel raises. Simple daily habits build strength fast. Follow for senior health tips.